समझ ला ना समझ ला. So ये yes very good yeah bad. So these are the balls that I have got from some random shop which was of 40 rupees. So basically I first saw these balls at Bund Garden. क्या करने का?
इधर थोड़ा इधर वो हाथ उधर जा रहा है.
हाँ मैं थोड़ा इधर चला गया था ना असल में. हाँ वो गलत किया ना. इधर इधर ही रहना चाहिए सेंटर में.
हाँ सेंटर में आओ. ये पूरा हाथ उधर जा रहा है दिख नहीं रहा.
सेंटर में
आगे आ गए.
डिले
उधर मत जाओ. थोड़ा इधर आओ. ये इधर आ जाओ. इधर हाँ इस साइड. हाँ थोड़ा आपका हाथ है ना स्क्रीन के उधर जा रहा है. थोड़ा इधर दिखना चाहिए ना.
So I got these balls. I found these balls first at देखा at Bund Garden. तो उसने मेरे को बोला कि I asked him how much for these balls. So he said 40 rupees for one. So I said give me three balls in 100. So he said no. Then I also rejected. Then again I saw these balls somewhere. Yes. It was a necessity because I had to perform this juggling at a corporate place where I was invited to interact with the corporate people. But I did not have big yellow ones. And I did not want to buy and own them and carry them. So I thought I should rather buy these balls. So I bought this from the hotel down there. From the shop down at the hotel. So it was 40 rupees. Okay. So I started practicing this. But I was juggling with the big yellow balls for so many years. And then when I started juggling from this, it was extremely difficult because the fingers have different grip. It requires different grip. So it was very difficult and I actually did not perform juggling. I carried the balls, but I did not perform at the corporate event. So, but this is good. If it drops, it can come back. This is an advantage of these balls. And now having practiced with these balls, I'm comfortable. I'm so comfortable that couple of days ago, yesterday or 2 days ago, I was roaming around at the same place, Boat Club Road, Bund Garden. And there was same shop. And then I remember that I was inquiring for these balls at that shop. So I went to that shop. These balls were not there. Instead, they had smaller ones. So I asked him कि ये कितने का है? So he said ये 20 का है. So I said I want 3 balls again of the 20 ones. So I got these balls, a smaller one. Now these are smaller one. And to be able to juggle with those balls is not equivalent to juggling these balls because these balls require different kind of relationship. So it is not some street side stupid thing. It is very, very spiritual. So when you're practicing with the 3 balls, you're juggling, you're building relationship with the balls, and then you get to know yourself. You get so mindful because now the weight is different. It is a different thing altogether. See, it is jumping so much. So I'll have to be more sensitive, more receptive towards the weight and the everything of this thing. You got my point? So yeah. So this is the first time I'm doing it longest. Alright. So that was my performance. Now Mr. Pokle or Mr. Sumit Gaikwad will come over and take the lead.
Yeah.